We'll guide you through how to create a portfolio on Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one using your email or a third-party service like GitHub. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click on the New Site from Git button. This allows you to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Choose GitHub for this tutorial. Authorize Netlify to access your repositories if you haven't done so already. Next, select the repository containing your portfolio project. Click on it and proceed to the next step. Now, you'll configure the deployment settings. Choose the branch you want to deploy, usually the main or master branch. Under Build Settings, specify the build command and the publish directory. For most static site generators like Gatsby or Jekyll, this is usually npm run build or yarn build for the build command, and public or dist for the publish directory. If you're using a simple HTML/CSS setup, you can leave these fields blank. Click Deploy Site and Netlify will start building your site. This may take a few moments. Once the build is complete, you'll see a link to your live site. You can click it to view your portfolio online. If you need to make changes, simply push updates to your repository and Netlify will automatically rebuild your site. For a custom domain, go to the site settings on Netlify, click on Domain Management, and then Add Custom Domain. Follow the instructions to configure it with your domain provider. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.